How much does a tax attorney cost? Well, that's an interesting question. At Choice Tax Relief, our resolution department is headed by an excellent tax attorney named Greg Ibbotson. You may have worked with another attorney on our team under him, if you worked with us before. It's a hard question to answer, and you're going to get quotes across the board for tax attorney services. I can tell you that here at Choice Tax Relief, for our legal services, we generally charge a flat fee. It's not an hourly bill. It's a flat fee depending on the complexity of your case and what we're aiming to do for you. At the low end, if you just need us to buy you some time in order to arrange your financial situation to pay off the IRS, we can typically negotiate some kind of a collection hold or something like this if they're after you for under $1,000. Okay. Now, at the upper end, we have legal cases where the individual owes 7 figures of tax debt. They're dealing with multiple jurisdictions, the IRS as an individual, the IRS with respect to corporate income tax, the IRS with respect to payroll taxes, their state with respect to individual tax, their state with respect to the corporate tax, their state with respect to payroll tax, their state with respect to sales tax. Sometimes we're negotiating with 6 or 7 different jurisdictions. Now, I'm not going to be cute here, but some of those fees, and these generally take, Greg and me both working this case with maybe a junior attorney or an EA or something. Sometimes these fees are 6-figure fees. Okay. I'll tell you this, our average case value is about $5,000. Okay. If you just take our gross revenue for the year divided by the number of cases we took on during the year, it's about $5,000. Okay. Because most of the folks we help, they owe, I won't say most, I would say the majority. So over 50% of the folks we help, it's a standard 1040 income tax matter. And, they're generally owing less than $250, often less than $100,000. And, we charge a fair fee for these cases. So, you're going to get, if you talk to 100 attorneys about this, you're going to get 100 different answers. But hopefully that helps you understand what a tax attorney costs.